Okay, here's a video using your work, and I'm going to actually post it, but you need to be able to do it and post it, not just for me to do it. Okay, if you can't figure out the snipping tool, download Jing and use it. Jing is this little sun looking thing here. This is how I access my Jing. It's been downloaded, it's here for me. I hit the plus sign. And now I will outline what I want to paste. I've outlined it, I capture it, I copy it. Then I need to go back to the forum, and I'm going to do it as a reply to you. And I'm going to paste by using like Control V or Command V depending on which machine you're in. If you can't figure out snipping tool, use Jing. It may be slightly easier. And I will add the link of the video that I've just made to this. So hopefully it will help you.